The world of tech is buzzing with excitement as we approach 2025, and I'm super stoked to share with you my top picks of gadgets that are going to change the game. From smart home innovations to wearable tech, these gadgets are not just cool toys. They're tools that can seriously upgrade your daily life. With so many gadgets hitting the market every year, it can be overwhelming to figure out which ones are truly worth your hard-earned cash. I've been there too, scrolling through endless pages of tech reviews and gadget showcases, trying to find the cream of the crop. It's like trying to find a needle in a haystack. But trust me, I've done the legwork for you. The thing is, most gadgets promise the world but often fall short. But the ones I'm about to show you, they're the real deal. I've researched, tested, and verified that these gadgets deliver on their promises. They're innovative, practical, and most importantly, they're available for purchase right now. So, what makes a gadget truly stand out in 2025? For me, it's all about how seamlessly it integrates into your daily routine, making tasks easier, more enjoyable, or even just plain cool. Whether it's enhancing your productivity, health, or entertainment, these gadgets have got you covered. What really sets the smart contact lenses apart is their potential for future updates and integrations. As more developers get on board, the possibilities for what these lenses can do will only expand. From navigation to health monitoring, and maybe even augmented reality gaming, the future is looking very exciting. So there you have it, my top 10 picks for gadgets that you absolutely need to get your hands on before 2025. Each one has the potential to make a significant impact on your daily life, whether it's through convenience, health, entertainment, or innovation. If you're as excited as I am about these gadgets, be sure to comment below with your favorite pick. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can stay up to date on all the latest tech insights. And if you're curious about where these gadgets can be purchased, I've included links in the description below. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video.